Isn't it cool? Two completely different kinds of bees can work side by side and get along. Look at the beautiful beastie feeding on that sweet, sweet nectar. Mmm, yummy. This is my favorite pollinator. Honeybees get all the credit. Everyone focuses just, oh, the honeybees, the honeybees. This is a golden digger wasp. They're fairly chill. They're not aggressive. They're solitary. They don't live in colonies. They live by themselves. They dig holes in the ground and they kill things like grasshoppers and drag them into their nest and leave them for food for the next generation. Here I've got some footage that I captured just yesterday. A golden digger wasp eating some yummy pollen.